Get the thing.
I was looking at waste oil furnaces. Like the one I was for sale was my big on it. It settled in a little bit.
The spring? Yeah, it was pretty it's pretty fast before.
Yeah, very, very violent. There she is. Killer. It's like they're a little too.
Are you gonna sand it with this?
In a few hours. Oh, baby.
You got the stopper handle?
I do not have it. It's parts in the car. We'll put it. It won't fall off.
Yeah. Totally. Totally.
Just gotta get the slot underneath it. Should be good now. Should roll.
Oh, whoa, wait.
That one.
It's like really arching. It's really leaning. Do we have it backwards?
I didn't think so.
Maybe it has.
Yeah, you're right. It's backwards.
It has to go the other way.
Definitely backwards. Whoops. What a slight flop. Like a monkey fucking a football.
That looks pretty good. Nice. Forks down.
Forks down. You don't want trip on the new failure zone.
I can definitely tell you're certified.
Head is broken.
You're giving me a certified boner.
Whoa!
So these heads are a little bit better than what's on here.
They're a lot better. These ones, we'll do a side by side once we get them off, but yeah, these have way bigger ports. On top of having better valves and everything else too. But yeah, there's a huge difference to be gained with these versus those. That's it. Throw this on the ground. That'll be a whole other video.
Yeah, that's a big assembly. Man, look how big that is.
See it last.
Like Tonkin. Whoa. What do we got in here?
Dead place. How they look in there? Oh yeah, should I shine that shiny light? Some carbon, but not nearly as bad as I've seen previously.
Hey, looking pretty good in there.
Head, yeah, rubber.
Stank though.
She stank like stanky oil.
There was Wow. Looks a little different than it did half hour ago.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Oh wait, I'm still manual focus. I don't want that. Shit. Shit.
You ruined the shot.
Okay. Just kidding, it looks great.
Yeah, we lucked out.
How many miles were on it?
Oh fuck, if I remember.
Like 300,000?
No.
200,000.
Maybe. I think with these things, they have a rough life.
They get beat on, they don't get the oil changed.
Definitely not.
So Jeremy here, he got this deconstructed in about a half an hour. And he made a nice little pile here of things that we won't be using again.
Yeah, so heads, intake, alternators, junk, motor mounts, won't be using those. Entire accessories, won't be reusing any of that. It's all junk. Main thing we're going to be using is the block, the rotating assembly as it sits.
And then the new heads are behind him
And the new
there.
heads. New heads are gonna make this thing look like $1 million.
It's gonna look like a real LS, huh?
Right. Need to just polish her up a little, that's all. Get some cleaning supplies, I'm gonna have to make you a list of supplies.
Yeah, let me know what I need.
Yeah. Brake cleaner, oven cleaner.
You dropped some rust.
Oh, man, can you help me look for it? Don't worry, there's plenty more. Yeah, overall looks pretty good. I mean, there's actually a lot of cross-hatching left. Surprisingly, this one's really good. This one's not bad. It's just slight glazing from the rings, probably. This one's still cross-hatched really good.